In this short video, we will explain the major differences between the single user and web enterprise versions of the Task Analysis Toolkit. To understand the difference between the two, we must first clarify the nature of the single user version. The single user version is designed for businesses having a single instructional designer or training developer assigned to task analysis. For the single user, the toolkit and all related files reside completely on the user's machine. Each time the single user starts the analysis of a new job, a folder is created with the same name of the job, and an empty pair of task analysis databases is copied into that folder. A plain text job lists file exists inside the toolkit with the names of all of the jobs. In addition to creating a folder with the job's name, the toolkit also adds the new job's name to the job list file. When the instructional designer is working on that job, the databases for that job are pulled into the toolkit processor and changed as the instructional designer adds information. When the instructional designer is finished with that particular job, the updated databases go back to the folder. As new jobs are created, new folders, and new lines on the job list. The Web Enterprise version uses similar methods. Each job has its own folder, and there's a job list. The difference is that the folders are parked on the internet, hidden away, usually on a company's website. This arrangement allows multiple designers anywhere in the world to have access to the folders and job databases. With the Web Enterprise version, there is no limit on the number of installs within the company. As an instructional designer works on a job, the databases for that job are downloaded to his or her machine. When work stops on that job, the databases go back to the cloud. At another time, another instructional designer can work on the same job analysis and return the databases to the cloud when finished. There's a handy feature on the Web Enterprise version that is not available on the single user version. It's used in organizations where subject matter experts, or SMEs, cannot be spared from production for a 2 or 3 day workshop to do a complete job task analysis. With this feature, the instructional designer, in a very short workshop session with SMEs, defines the duty and task statements, but nothing else. The instructional designer would use the Assign Task feature to assign tasks to SMEs, put the job back on the server, and notify the SMEs that the job was ready for them to finish. The SME would then download the assigned task, complete them, and send them back to the server. To do this, SMEs will use an unlimited install program called the SME Task Continuation module that is included with the Web Enterprise version. There's another feature in cases where SMEs do not have computer access. This feature allows the instructional designer to print templates with the task statement and places to record the other information related to the task. These templates can then be sent to SMEs for completion. There is a significant difference between the two versions in how job analysis is started. With the single user version, the job list and individual job folders are created within the toolkit by the instructional designer. With the Web Enterprise version, the job list and job folders must be uploaded via file transfer protocol using an external program such as FileZilla. To facilitate the Web Enterprise version, customers must provide a folder on the internet that will be used to house files and job subfolders. Normally, this will be a special purpose folder set up for that purpose on the company's website. They must provide the username and password for that folder to Pete Blair so that the programs including the SME Task Continuation module, can be customized and installed, and they must provide a means whereby instructional designers can add job subfolders and update the job list with each new job to be analyzed. Oh, one last thing. It's upgradable. If and when your company wants to upgrade from the single user to the web enterprise version, it involves setting up the FTP folder on the web, transferring the job list and job folders to that folder, uninstalling the single user version, and installing the web enterprise version. I invite you to explore the frequently asked questions. If your questions are not answered there, contact me directly via the form on this webpage. Thanks, and I'll see you.